Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Insta Vlogs. Today we're just having a road trip in a suburban area in Bangladesh. In some places you can see the rural area, and some places it's still developing. So you can see here a few paddy fields, the other fields, and the agricultural productions. And in other side you can see that some houses, some are brick built, some are tin shade. The area is developing. It's a suburban area. I'm just having a road trip. The local vehicles, you can call it a trolley. I'm just going towards Donbari. This road is coming from Donbari to Ubipur. So I'm riding a traditional three-wheeler vehicles, which is called Bengari in local language, but it's a very popular three-wheeler and which is run by charging battery. You can see that the development of the road networks in our country, this is not so bad, actually impressive one. Almost all the roads, those are the plain. In some places only, those are broken. So the people, you can see, they're just having their journey riding on the regular three-wheelers. So this is the local transportation systems. You can see on my left side the big water body. This is called the Nawabari Pukur. So it's a big pond actually. Sometimes it's called Digi. So it's a big water body just made 200 years ago. And a place with lots of trees. You can see there's the houses of the Nawab Palace. Now I am just entering to the rural market. It's the suburban market. The school is just closed, so the students, they are just going home, riding the autos and the other three-wheelers. Autos are also very popular, and in some places you can see the personal vehicles are also used. So the people, they just buy the motorcycles or the bicycle, but bicycle is very less, very few, mostly motorcycles. The people like it. Some hotels you can see beside the road. You can see the Coca-Cola. This is a very popular international brand, and they are just having in this area lots of the banks. This place is called Bo Bazar. Many fish items, the vegetable items, everything is found here. On my left you can see the Donbari Eidgah field. During the Eid al-Fitr or Eid al-Adha, the people do the prayers, Eid prayers. And here you can see a very nice building. Actually many rich people, they are making very nice buildings here. You can see the designs. Other buildings also here. So we are just almost near at the Donbari market. Mostly the plain roads you can see in a rural environment. Those are very nicely maintained and the roads are new. And near at the market, the main market, you can see the roads are broken in most places. Maybe the local municipal corporation, they will maintain, but this is not regular. So in some cases, you know, the corruption happens. So this is not only for this country, every country, maybe in some cases they have corruption. That's why not all the roads are nicely maintained. So you can see the bikes, motorcycles, Bengari, and the autos. This is a battery-driven autos. People can ride here, and each vehicle can carry 8 people. So you can see the buildings in front, and there's the square, the market square. I'm going to close my videos here. Thanks for watching. In next videos, we're going to bring more interesting videos. Stay with Insta Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.